Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best blender food processor combo that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. With 1500 watts of power and 3 blades. This Ninja blender food processor combo is strong enough to crush ice and sharp enough to pulverize a variety of foods. Along with a chopping blade, the 8-cup food processor bowl also includes a blade that can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. For blending and taking smoothies on the go, the system comes with 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups and lids. The 72-ounce blender features a pulse button and 4 speeds labeled for dough, ice crushing, blending, and single-serve processing, allowing users to choose their preferred consistency. With dishwasher-safe parts, the unit is easy to clean. The Ninja includes a complimentary recipe guide. Moving on at number 4, we have Oster Blender Pro 1200 with glass jar. The Oster Pro Blender food processor combo features a 1200-watt motor that is powerful enough to crush ice. It includes a 6-cup glass jar for blending, a 5-cup food processing bowl with a stainless steel slicing disc and chopping blade, and a 24-ounce lidded to-go cup for smoothies. Dual-direction blade technology allows users to avoid stuck ingredients. The pre-programmed settings offer one-touch buttons for recipes such as salsas, milkshakes, smoothies, and soups. There is also a pulse option for more control over food processing. The unit's parts are dishwasher safe. At number 3, we have Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. This combination machine from Hamilton Beach features 700 watts of power and a wave action system that continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades. The unit includes a 40-ounce blender jar, a 3-cup chopper, and a 20-ounce personal blending cup. The food processing bowl is equipped with an S-blade and a shredding and slicing disc. Bonus features include an easy-to-pour blender spout, a personal blender lid for transporting smoothies, and storage within the base for the cord. Dishwasher-safe parts make it easy to clean. At number 2, we have Cuisinart CPB 300 350-watt BPA-free blender. This blender food processor combo from Cuisinart includes a 32-ounce blender jar and blade, an 8-ounce processor cup with a chopping blade and lid, and 4 14-ounce lidded travel cups. Users can place each piece onto the jar base, which automatically powers the motor. 3 buttons with LED indicator lights control high, low, and pulse settings. A 350-watt motor along with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades also accommodate ice crushing. Bonus features include slip-proof feet, internal cord storage, a safety lock, and an automatic stop element. The combination machine is dishwasher safe and features a complimentary recipe book. And finally at number 1, Ninja Foodie SS351 Power Blender. The Ninja Foodie Blender food processor combo boasts a 1400-watt motor designed with smart torque technology to power through dense ingredients without becoming stuck or stalled. In addition to the multi-use jar, the system includes a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker equipped with a tamper to push down ingredients. It also features a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup intended to preserve vitamins for healthy beverages. 6 preset programs offer one-touch control for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough, while a variable speed knob allows for manual control. All parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.